Hey everyone, and welcome to the last tutorial where I'm going to teach you the charanam of this Keerthanam Abhishta Varada Shri Maha Ganapati in the raga Hamsadwani. So first, the raga of Hamsadwani. Hamsadwani is the derivative of 29th Melartha raga Dhirashankara Varanam, or the derivative of 65th Melartha raga Mecha Kalyani. Out of raga, Madhyama Daivada Vajja raga, Upanga raga, and the Swarasana Shadja, Chaturshudha Rishaba, Andaragandara, Panchama, Kagali Nishada. That's it. Arohana Arohana goes like this. Sari kapari sari pagari sa. If you are thorough with the Pallavi and the Anupallavi, then you can learn this one. Otherwise, I suggest you to first learn those two first. So here, Mukti Marga Munaku Mutadi Deva Muni. Mukti Marga. Only two songs are there, okay? Mukti Marga, Mukti Gappa, Mukti Marga, Gapapa, Mukti Mar, Gapari, Ar, Gantara, Mukti Marga, Munaku, Pa, Saripa, Munaku, Modadi, Modapa, that's Nisha, Ni. Pasaniri Modadi Sani Bagadi Deva Muni Dei Paga Deva Nipa because I have listened to a person singing, actually explaining. That person was saying it as Nishada, but the placement was on Daivada. Make sure you are not singing that. Pagadaba Paganipa, that's a Nishada. Paganipa is Nishada. Mukti Marga Munaku Modadi Deva Nipa Deva Muni Mugari Sari Sagari are the answers of Rishaba. Muni. So the first Sangati goes like this in one stretch. Mukti Marga Munaku Modadi Deva Muni. Its extension. Shakti Sumukata Bhaktule Kumariki. There, Shakti Riga Shakti Su Shakti. The Gapa Shakti Su Gapa Pari Shakti Su Mukha Gari Gariga Mukha. At the last moment, drop it to Rishabha. Shakti Gapa Shakti Su Pari Su Shakti Su Mukhata Mu Gari Mukhata Gari Mukha Gari Gari Mukhata Shadja Bhaktuleku Gagariga Bhaktuleku Variki Ni Sanipa Variki Ni Sanipa Variki Ki Sanipa. One stretch. The extension number one goes like this. Shakti Sumukhata Bhaktuleku Variki. Moving into the second Sangati of Mukti Marga. Mukti Marga, Mukti Gappa, Mukti Marga, Marga, Niri, Pasani, Sani, Mukti Mukti Marga, Mukti Marga, Nisani Sani, Nisani Sapaga, Nisani Sani, Gapa, Nisa Ni Gapa. Mukti Marga, Mukti Gapa, Mukti Ma, Pasanisa, Mukti Ma, Arga, Ni Gapa, Mukti Ma, Arga, Mukti Marga, Munaku Pasani ri mo mo naku sani panaku Mukti marga monaku mo monaku mo monaku ku panchama mo mo nisari. Nishad is having a gabaga, it's a really quick gabaga. Nisari no naku Mukti marga monaku mo tadi tadi sani tadi Deva, that's a copy. Paga ni paga Deva Deva mu gari ni pani sari gari pani sari Nishada gamaga pani sari Rashaba playing pani sari shadja sorry panchama shadja Rashaba playing only Nishada is having gamaga pasani all the answer Nishada ni pani sari ni from Gandhara slide down Rashaba ri pani sari gari these are the swaras Deva Deva mu ni pani sari gari ni. Second Sangadhi of Mukti Marga goes like this. Mukti Marga monaku modadi Deva muni. Expression number 2. Shakti sumukhata Shakti su Shakti gapa Shakti su gapa pari Shakti su mu gari mukhata pagari sa nata Shakti su mukhata nata pagari sa nata Bhaktule kuvari. That's a copy of the first Sangadhi. Bhaktule ku gariga gariga Bhaktule kuva gaggariga ni saniba ni saniba double shot bhaktule kuvariki there you should start the next portion siddhi bhuti vara siddhi saniba pa siddhi bhuti nizari sa bhuti siddhi bhuti vara Riri Balamuno Sakina Balamu Niriga Balamunu Sakina Siddhi Bhuti Vara Balamuno Bala Niri Balamuno Gari Sa is a sani sakina riga riga risa sakina. Let's sing that in one stretch. Siddhi bhuti vara balamuno sakina and na from the shadja Nire sari pa spasani paga ga pagariza tu durgam sari gari ga paga pani pani sari nire sari pa pasari paga ga pagariza tu durgam sari gari ga pa ga pani pani sari ga pani pani one stretch you can connect with the first song of the other Siddhi bhuti vara balamuno sakina. Second Sangadhi of Siddhi, only two sangas are there. Siddhi nirisaripa siddhi bodhi bodhi bo nisa bodhi garisa bodhi di bodhi. Slide up to Gandhara. Siddhi bodhi vara re re. Then Bala Muno Sakira. That's a copy of the first. The Anipalli. Gandhara. Bala ga na re ga ga pa. Bala Muno Bagagari Muno Sakina Sani re ga re ga re sa Sakina. One stretch, the second Sangati goes like this. Siddhi bodhi vara bala muno sakina. Then the extension. There are 3 Sangati for the extension. Sadguru Shri Pa Sadguru Pangari Sanguru Shadja Pangari Sa Sanguru Shri Pasasani Pa Shri Shri Pasasani Pa Shri Sadguru Shri Tyaga Pasatsa Tyaga Raju Sani Harisa Raju Sadguru Shri Tyaga Raju Tyaga Raju Tyaga Sasa Tata Tyaga Pasan Tyaga. Okay. Pasan is a Tyaga Ra Sasagari Raju Sani Pasaju Tyaga Raju Pokadi Sani Pagari Pokadi Na Pokadi Na Poka Sani Paga Poka Dina Riga Pani Pani Riga Pani Pani Dina. One stretch. Sadguru Shri Tyagaraju Pokadina. Second. Sadguru Shri Sadguru Kopi Sadguru Pa Sa Panjama Sadguru Garisa Sadguru Shri Sakrisa Shri Sakri Sanipa Shri Sadguru Shri Sadguru Shri Tyaga Pasatsa Tyagaraju. Oh, Tyaga Pasatsa. Then Tyaga Gari Sari Ra Ju Rizani Paju Tyagaraju Poka Sari Paga Poka Dina. That's a copy of the first. Riga Pani Pani Dina. So the second goes like this. Sadguru Shri Tyagara Sadguru Shri Tyagaraju Pokadina. That's the second. Let's move on to the third, the last one. Sadguru, that's a copy of the previous Sangatis. Pakarisa Sadguru. Then Shri Sasarigapa Shri Tyaga Gaga Sarigapa Gaga Shri Tyaga. Then Ra Pagari Sari Ra Ju Gari Sari Ra Tyaga Raju Poka Risari Pa Poka Dina Panisari Dina. In one stretch it goes like this. Sadguru Shri Tyagaraju Pokadina. Connect with the third Sangati with the Pallavi. Abhishta Varada Shri Maha Ganapati. Expression number 3. Agama Veda Dindarahita Pade. Concluding Abhishta Varada Shri Maha Ganapati. Ganapati Riga Pani Sari Sari Ba Ganapati Pani Sari Ganapati Gari Gari Sari. That's according to your Manodharmam. You can sing. If you're an advanced grader, you can try Manodharmam. Manodharma Sangeetham. Anyway, that's the end of this tutorial. Whew. I hope this one was really a beneficial one for you all. So, yeah, like always, if you have got any suggestions or opinions, you can post them as comments. I'll be replying to that. I will be replying to that as soon as I get these notifications. So, hopefully, we can meet in the coming tutorial. Okay. And if you have got any suggestions, like if you want something like requests, if you are interested to learn some Keertana or some composition, you can post them as also a comment. I'll be working on that and I'll post someday. Okay. So yeah, then bye bye.